Welcome to Education Hub. Let's learn what the animal's name. Crab, seal, fish, dolphin, whale, turtle, starfish, seahorse, shark, snail, octopus, jellyfish. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.